Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Anman, steamed hot buns filled with smooth red bean paste. These are the ingredients. Koshian a smooth red bean paste sweetened with sugar. Please watch our video for how to make Koshian. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we prepare the dough. Dissolve the yeast in warm water and let it sit for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Add the flour mixture to the yeast water. Add some oil. In a stand mixer, using a dough hook, knead for 10 minutes or until the dough becomes elastic and smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rise for 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we mix Koshian with oils, neutral flavored vegetable oil, and a bit of sesame oil for flavor and aroma. Now take out the dough from the bowl after being doubled in size and deflate the air, and we are going to cut this into 8 equal pieces and shape each piece into a ball. Roll a ball flat into a 5-inch round and put about 2 tablespoons Koshian mixture in the middle and lift sides to wrap the filling with the dough. Pinch to close and place it on a parchment paper cut into square. Put them in a hot steamer 2 inches apart and cook at medium-high heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Serve immediately, and it's best eaten hot. You can also freeze them and reheat in microwave. Soft white steamed bread with sweet red bean paste go very well together.
美味しい。美味しいね。